Antiseptic. Antiseptic. A chemical used to prevent infection from an injury by killing bacteria. A chemical used to prevent infection from an injury by killing bacteria. Once upon a time, there was a young nurse named Maria who worked at a hospital in a small town. She was known for her gentle touch and caring nature, and her patients loved her. One day, a new patient was admitted with a severe infection. Maria did everything she could to save the patient, using antiseptic on every wound and administering antibiotics. Despite her best efforts, the patient died a few days later, leaving Maria devastated. She couldn't shake the feeling that she had failed, and her once bright smile faded. She became distant and stopped caring for her patients with the same warmth and love as before. The once vibrant nurse now went through the motions, dutifully applying antiseptic but no longer finding joy in her work. Maria's colleagues noticed the change in her and tried to help, but she withdrew further and eventually resigned from her job. The once loved nurse was never the same, and the tragedy of her patient's death haunted her for the rest of her life.